In the past few months, our country has seen incidents of racial violence increase. Colleges across the country have seen a spike in white supremacist activities on their campuses. Minority students are harassed or made to feel unwelcome by their own classmates. While every college has to establish their own response to these incidents, public universities struggle between infringing on First Amendment rights and protecting the physical and emotional safety of their students. While this occurs, students are trying to learn and establish an academic home. Leaders in the field of education and race have called on those working at universities to do better. These incidents and call to action have inspired me to research how mentorship programs at public universities are influencing the retention rates of Black or African American students. How can having a place or program on campus help a student to feel welcome, supported, and safe? This study would be a qualitative study at 5 public universities across the country. The institutions would be geographically and racially diverse. A group of 20 students would be selected from each institution and would range in family educational background, economic status, chosen majors, and gender. The study would last 2 years, with a questionnaire being distributed during the students' first month of school, their freshman year. The questions would relate to how students viewed their school environment and culture, how they felt perceived by other students, faculty, and staff, if they were a part of a club, organization, or mentorship program, cultural or religious organization on campus, and if they felt academically and emotionally supported. The next part of the study would take place at the end of the student's freshman year. This would be a focus group conducted with 4 groups at each campus. The moderator would ask each group the same set of questions and allow them to discuss. The questions would revolve around how their freshman year had gone, their view of the school environment, if they felt supported on campus, resources used, and worries or concerns moving forward in their education. The students would indicate whether they intended to return for their sophomore year. The final part of the study would take place at the end of the student's sophomore year. This would be individual qualitative interviews. The outcome for this study would be to analyze the student's experience and look for trends. This data could hopefully be used to create campus programs to support students in the future, using the students' own experience and voices. Thank you for your time.